Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll explain how to find the best products for your Shopify store using Amazon. By analyzing Amazon's marketplace, you can identify popular products, trending items, and profitable niches that can boost your Shopify sales. Here's how to do it. Start by visiting Amazon's homepage and exploring the best sellers, movers and shakers, and new releases sections. These areas highlight products that are currently in demand, making them ideal for finding trending items. Focus on categories that align with your store's niche to ensure the products fit your brand. Next, analyze product listings to identify key details. Look for items with a high number of positive reviews, as this indicates consistent customer satisfaction. Pay attention to best-selling ranks, which reflect product performance within its category. Products with a ranking under 5,000 in a popular category are typically strong contenders. Additionally, review customer feedback to understand what buyers like or dislike about certain products. This insight can help you select items that meet customer needs or highlight gaps in the market you can capitalize on. For deeper insights, consider using product research tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AmScout. These tools provide detailed sales data, trends, and competitor analysis to help you identify high-potential products with strong profit margins. Once you've identified suitable products, consider sourcing similar or complementary items through platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, or Chi Dropshipping. This allows you to build a Shopify store with products inspired by Amazon's top-performing items, while maintaining control over your branding, pricing, and marketing strategies. Finally, test your chosen products by adding them to your Shopify store and running targeted marketing campaigns. Monitor sales, performance, and customer feedback to refine your product selection over time. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.